The Turkish Navy is about to undergo a massive upgrade with a whopping 350 million euros investment into the Aksaz naval base. As revealed in the January issue of the Turkish Navy's monthly magazine, this significant investment aims to construct new jetties to accommodate large naval assets like the amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu and the fleet replenishment ship TCG Derya. Now, this info first hit the scene thanks to an anonymous social media account named Catfish Blues, a go-to for niche defense industry insights. According to them, the tender for this huge project, which is spearheaded by the engineering department of the Turkish Navy Logistics Directorate, is expected to be launched in 2025. Rear Admiral Tayfun Oznel, head of the engineering department, confirmed this by stating, "The most important and largest project we are currently working on is the construction of docks, piers and coastal convenience facilities for TCG Anadolu, AIP submarines and other naval elements in Aksaz." He also mentioned that they're utilizing not only national resources but also NATO resources, aligning with NATO capability development activities. The Turkish Navy is currently overseeing projects valued at around 360 million euros under the Naval Capability Program plan. And guess what? 6 new projects proposed by Turkey have been approved, securing an additional 290 million euros in support. The commissioning of the TCG Anadolu on April 10, 2023, marked a significant milestone in the Turkish Navy's modernization efforts. And just last year, on January 19, 2024, the new generation fleet oiler TCG Derya officially joined the fleet. With these powerful additions, the demand for expanded shelter and infrastructure at naval bases has naturally grown. The new project aims to construct jetties that can accommodate both the TCG Anadolu and a locally built aircraft carrier, which is still in the project phase. But that's not all. The Turkish Navy is also pushing forward with studies on infrastructure to host unmanned surface vehicles or USVs. Admiral Oznel announced that they're assessing requirements for establishing a USV Group Command in Didim, strategically located on the southern coast of the Aegean Sea. This new command will be the hub for logistics, command and control operations related to USVs. Moreover, they're conducting studies to determine infrastructure needs for USVs in key regions like Aksaz, Foça, Çanakkale, Gölcük, Mersin and Karadeniz Eregli. These efforts show a strategic intention to deploy USVs across critical regions, enhancing the Navy's operational readiness and flexibility in times of crisis. The Turkish defense industry is actively developing a diverse range of USV projects. For instance, the Marlin, developed by Aselsan and Safine Shipyard, and the Ulac, produced by Meteksan and Ares Shipyard, have already been integrated into the naval inventory and have participated in various exercises. These advanced USVs showcase the Turkish Navy's commitment to pioneering capabilities in manned-unmanned teaming, or MUMT. The logistical planning to support these cutting-edge assets is well underway, solidifying their role in modern naval warfare. So, what do you think about this massive upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more military updates.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.